This is the limited edition Puffco Peak Pro, the Opal Peak Pro. The Opal Peak Pro features a futuristic pearlescent white color scheme with a fully transparent base that really showcase the beautiful LED patterns that is built right into the Puffco Peak Pro operating system. I'm going to be unboxing the Opal Peak Pro. Let's jump right into it. I make vape unboxings, reviews, and more for adults 21 and up. If you're into that kind of stuff, please hit that like button and that subscribe button down below. And also be sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you. Okay, so what is up, guys? Welcome to EduVape. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be unboxing and trying out the Puffco Opal Peak Pro. So the Opal Peak Pro is actually the first limited edition Puffco Peak Pro that's available to purchase. And what's unique about this one is a lot of cosmetic design tweaks. For instance, the see-through base. So now you can actually really see that beautiful LED pattern and intricate design. The other cool thing is like the glass has this nice vortex design to it. And you also get a nice opal right at the top. So that's pretty dope. And so if you're new to the Peak Pro, basically what it is this powerful portable electronic dab device that allows you to have concentrates anywhere on the go. It's awesome enough for connoisseurs who want to tweak a lot of different things about their experience, but it's also great for beginners who just don't really know what they're doing and just want to jump right into it. So Peak Pro. Check out my other unboxing video where I went a little bit more in depth on Peak Pro, but extremely awesome, powerful, portable dab device. New cosmetic upgrades that make it so awesome. All right, so let's jump right into it. All right, so here's the front of the Opal Peak Pro box. Nothing new with the packaging. You get a picture of the Opal Peak Pro right in the front. On the back is a diagram of the Opal Peak Pro and just a small description underneath of what it does and what it is. That's pretty much everything. Let's go ahead and unbox the Opal Peak Pro. I just love the way the Peak Pro unboxes. It's such an experience. It's like revealing Excalibur. Here it is, just like the Peak Pro. Nothing new. Instructions on the bottom. You get this nice rugged case. Same case with the Peak Pro. Loving the design of it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Dang, look at the color at the Opal Peak Pro. It's like such an amazing pearlescent texture to it. It reminds me of like a super fancy sports car. Like that coating, so nice. And the way the bottom is rubberized, there's a special coating to it that gives it a different white. I'm loving this color scheme. Like this color scheme is so cool.
Beautiful.
You can see that the bowl piece, the silicone on the bowl piece is also different color. And so it's the silicone on the carb caps also in that same cool color. Over here, you get a pack of dual tools. And over here is the charger. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out of the case to show you guys. So here's the Opal Peak Pro. It has this beautiful pearlescent white metal band that stretches across of the unit. It looks like a futuristic prototype weapon from Portal. It's kind of like a portal gun. This color. Like it looks like I can use this and make a portal right now and jump through it. Like it's that cool. It looks so futuristic. It has like such a chic thing going for it. Super dope. Loving that pearlescent metal band. On the bottom is that nice rubberized base that we're used to, but this time it's in a nice transparent color, not fully opaque where you can see through it completely. It's like a smoky white. Right in the front you get that USB-C port. The glass looks really nice. There's a helix inner spiral that spirals all the way up to the opal that you get to see right on top. And that opal actually adds a touch of class to this whole glass part. That sounds like whatever when you first hear it, but once you see it, like it adds a lot of detail, a lot of texture, a lot of layers to it. Loving it. It's a basic diffused down stem with 2 holes, but it has that spiral action that's really reminiscent of that Ryan Fit recycler, that inner spiral inner flute. Very cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through all the new limited edition features. The silicone that protects the bowl. It's also in this nice smoky white color. That's the same color as the base. You get this Oculus carb cap in that nice smoky white color, and the other silicone thing for the Oculus. You get it in that nice smoky white color. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this device, and then we're gonna test out the Opal Peak Pro. Alright, so I got my Opal Peak Pro fully charged. I'm gonna turn on by pressing and holding the button. I want it to be on blue. We got the glass filled with some water. Gonna go ahead and load the bowl. Alright, we're all set. Got my carb cap, put it on. Double tapping to start. Cheers guys, trying out the Opal Peak Pro for the first time on EduVape. Loving the color and how the LED shines through. Cheers guys. Got the Opal Peak Pro here. Cheers. Double click to start, wait till it vibrates, then you're good to go.
In my opinion, the vapor quality is what makes the Peak Pro so amazing. They did a really great job at making the temperature super precise. You also get full control over the temperature through that Bluetooth app. The consistency in flavor and vapor output is also amazing. As long as you have a clean atomizer, you can expect the same experience every single time. Like, even if your Peak Pro is low on battery, the performance does not taper. With the right temperature, I can get the purest flavor out of this thing. I can also turn up the temp and get the meanest hit from it too.
The Opal Peak Pro is so freaking awesome. Like, it looks so nice. I really love the way the LED shines through the bottom of the base. It gives it this nice magical effect to it, especially when you're hitting it on that rainbow mode. It's such a cool effect. There's also different LED patterns, and it all shines through with this base. The smoky white didn't get in the way of the color at all. It shines through perfectly, as you can tell. The glass is really nice. I'm loving the design of this glass. The inner helix is so cool, and also that opal up there with a globe on it. That's such a nice touch to it. Really like the way the LED also shines to the front. That's really neat. Overall, the Peak Pro is a freaking amazing device for concentrates, and the Opal Peak Pro, very beautiful looking device, really showcasing that LED technology in the Peak Pro, and also the glass design up top is exquisite. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today we unboxed the Opal Peak Pro. We also tried it out. Very cool device. I'm loving it. This is Sean from EduVape, the place to learn about vapes. Sean, signing out.